Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I bid to all of you and my favorite lecture, which is Sir Lokman. And my name is Muhammad Irsyad bin Abdul Razak, and I am from BA 244-2B. Today, I'm gonna to talk about botulinum toxin. So I hope you can enjoy my speech about this topic. Alright, botulinum toxin, which is Botox, is a drug made from a toxin produced by the bacterium. In large amount, this toxin can cause botulism, an illness that affect the nerve. So Botox has been used since the 1970s in the field of ophthalmology, and in the last 20 years, its use has expanded to various health scopes, especially dermatology. Alright, a study reported the effectiveness of Botox for reducing the appearance of facial wrinkles. Since then, it has been used as a cosmetic treatment. So, Botox injection can be used to grade glabellar frown lines, wrinkles around the lips, which is smoker lines, and so on. Alright, we continue to the chart. Alright, the chart show difference by the age. So it show that people at 40 until 54 years old is the highest who use Botox. I think it's normal for us to look younger, right? So people tend to start considering injectables as Botox in their 30s, but the majority of patients are 40 until 54 years old. It is because they're concerned about their looks, want to look pretty, although their age is over 40s. Botulinum treatments can work as a preventative measure, so it is something that should be considered when wrinkles and expression lines such as a crow's feet, forehead lines, or frown lines are in their infancy to be the most effective. Lastly, while so far the age breakdown has stayed relatively consistent, in our own practice, we are seeing the patients who are considering Botox to be trending slightly younger over time, as more patients in their 20s and 30s are requesting the procedure. Alright, we go to the next graph. Alright, in 2016, just over 7 million people got Botox, while in 2007, the number was 4.6 million. So we can see that there are so many different between these 10 years. So the increase of Botox patient is so highest. So this procedure is so popular that even in 2007, more people got Botox than any other type of cosmetic procedure. So there is a reason why Botox are so popular and keep growing in popularity, and that's because they work. So Botox has helped millions of people to reduce or eliminate crow's feet, frown lines, and forehead lines. So there are also a number of other medical applications that Botox is used for, as well as some other cosmetic application. So as you can see, Botox are becoming a priority for significantly more people over time. So people are increasingly realizing that the effect of aging are at least partially a choice, and most of these procedures are all focused on reducing or eliminating signs of aging. So being careful about sun exposure and maintaining a good skincare regimen are essential for healthy skin in later years. So even the most vigilant person will still show some of the inevitable sign of aging. However, a number of these procedures can significantly reduce sign of aging. For the best and most lasting result, it is necessary to figure out what combination is best for your goals and your skin type. Alright. Lastly, Botox has a terrific track record with regard to safety, and Botox was first approved by the FDA in 2002, but has been used extensively by celebrities for a long time before that to look their best. Botox has also recently been found in studies to have benefit for the skin as well. So today I have discussed about Botox, which are age of Botox patient and the increased number of Botox patient. So this chart on the this based on the chart part and graph. So as a conclusion, it can be concluded that Botox is a good safe medication in reducing facial wrinkles. There are several issues regarding side effect and complication following the injection. However, there are several techniques to reduce side effect and complication rate after the injection. So I think that's all for me for today, and thank you.